So I bought a Mac Mini M2 from Apple India during the back to school offer sale with a student discount, and also got AirPods for free. So this video is the unboxing of my Mac Mini and AirPods.
For those guys who don't know what the Apple student discount is and back to school sale is, Apple gives discounts to students who are studying from school to university and to teachers and professors who are in the teaching profession. You just need to get verified from Unidays that you are a student and studying. You will find many video about that on YouTube. So coming to my Mac Mini, while checking out, I chose pickup instead of delivery. You will get pickup details in the mail as well as a text message on the number you have provided. I then went to the Apple BKC store for pickup. See the video till end.
If you are watching till here, then please subscribe to the channel, because we at least need 1,000 subscribers to get monetization on our channel. That will help me generate some revenue, so I can bring better quality videos for you guys. There's 2 requirements from YouTube for channel monetization. One is 4,000 watch hours, that we have already completed, and another one is 1,000 subscribers, so please subscribe to my channel. And for those who don't know, subscribing is free, you don't need to pay anything. Thanks for watching, see you in next video.